to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use CapCut AI features, and without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So if you want to use the CapCut's AI features, all you gotta do is simply open your CapCut. Now CapCut's AI feature simply simplifies your video creation journey by offering tools like AI story maker, that is like script to video writer. So you can simply tap on these AIs and simply use it, or you can simply scroll down and find different kind of AI tools right in your CapCut. So there are AI tools like AutoCut, AI Avatar, Video Translator, or AI Dialogue Scheme. Once you have selected any of this, you can simply mix your scripted video with the help of AI Story Maker, or image to video by animating stills, or AI avatar from custom presenters, and AI effects like artistic filters. So to use them, you need to start a project, find the AI tool, and input your text or image. Now you need to select specific voices, styles, and let the AI generate scenes. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.